How would you like to make $2,000 commissions over and over and over and over and over again? In this video, I'm actually going to show you how just in the last 24 hours, I was able to do over $4,000. And just in the last 48 hours, I was already able to do over $6,000. And in the past 5 weeks, I was able to already do over $63,375 in affiliate commissions. How's it going? My name is David, and I want to get straight into this video by showing you live proof of exactly what commissions I've been able to generate. And at any time in this video, if you want to get started with the same exact affiliate campaign that is already generating commissions for me and many other members, you can just click on the link in the video description. Now, let me preface this by saying, look, my results are not typical. I'm not in any way guaranteeing that you're going to make 63,000 in the next 5 weeks or anything like that. I'm just showing you what's possible. So let's switch over the screen and let me show you. So first thing I want to do is show you clear proof of exactly what payments have come in. So let's look at time and date right now. Right now, it's literally just after midnight on October 27th. So I'm just going to show you the commissions up to yesterday, which is October 26th, because today literally hasn't even gotten started yet. It's only 1 a.m. So take a look here. If I refresh this, this is one of my affiliate accounts. And if you look closely, as you can see here, October 26th at 7 a.m., I got a $2,000 commission. At October 26th at 1 p.m., I got another $2,000 commission. And also October 25th, which is the day before that, I got another $2,000 commission and many other commissions as well. Actually, in total, just for this affiliate program here, I've been able to generate $36,700 in 37 days. Actually, let me show you. Let's go back here to Google and type in days since September 19 and take a look. It's 38 days, but just because right now it's at past midnight, but it's actually 37 days of actual commissions that have come in. So basically 5 weeks. Now check this out. These are actually not the only commissions that have come in. This is already, if it was only this, 36,000 in 37 days, that's already pretty good. But these are not the only commissions that have come in. And the affiliate campaign that you see just below this video, which you can get plugged into if you want to start earning $2,000 commissions over and over and over again, is actually able to generate even additional commissions. Let me actually show you. Here's my shopping cart, and as you can see here, let me just refresh this for a sec. I've set up the dates from September 19, which is when I started leveraging this affiliate marketing campaign, up until October 26, which was literally an hour ago. And take a look at this, another $26,675 in additional commissions. That's a total, if we add this up, 26,675 plus 36,700. Again, that is a total of $63,375 in 37 days. And again, if you want to get started earning $2,000 commissions over and over and over again, all you want to do right now, there's 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1, click the link just in the video description and join my team, because as my team member, I basically hook you up with this exact campaign, this exact affiliate marketing campaign that includes a webinar, email follow-up. There's over 140 emails that I send out on your behalf, and also members area, videos, and everything that you need to make this successful. Now again, all you need to do to get started, click the link below and join my team. There's 3 steps to making this work. Once you click the link below, it's going to take you to a page that you're going to be able to see a webinar that explains exactly how this works. This is kind of important because you want to understand, how does this marketing campaign work and what kind of commissions can you earn, because the $2,000 commissions that you can earn over and over and over again, those are not the only commissions that you can actually make from this. There's even more, as you've seen on the screen a second ago. Now, step number 2 to making this work is to set up your system. And you want to remember these 2 words, Vertex Live. You need to be qualified at the Vertex Live level if you want to be earning these $2,000 commissions. Now check this out. One more thing that I want to show you here is when you come in at Vertex Live, check it out. So this is the Facebook group where, again, I do the work. I basically run the marketing campaign. All you need to do is send visitors, which is step 3, by the way, and I show you exactly how to do this. And you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. Now you're probably wondering, Are members making commissions with this, David? That's what I want to know, because if you're going to be joining my team, you're going to be one of my team members. Are my team members actually generating commissions? That's a good question, isn't it? Well, let me show you. Here's a payment that came in for Alan, and this was for $50 that he got from one of the income streams. This is what I posted earlier today. I received a $2,000 commission from this campaign. Here's Justin, who just yesterday posted he made a $2,000 commission while he was out with his brother. So this is an automated campaign, guys. If you're watching this and you're wondering, do I need to be on the computer for 12 hours? No, you just follow these 3 steps. Click the link below. Then you want to watch the webinar. Step 2 is get set up, and remember these words, Vertex Live, Vertex Live. The reason Justin is able to earn these commissions, and pretty much everyone else that I'm going to show you, here's Jason that also yesterday posted this, $2,000 to his account while he was attending to his a sick little one, basically. So he's obviously was busy doing other stuff, and he was able to generate a $2,000 commission. And it doesn't end there. Here's another one from me. Alan, a day before that, yesterday was able to do $350. Here's Miles, who was watching a game, got $2,000. Here's a live stream, by the way. This is another thing that I want to tell you about. I know that right now you're probably full of questions, so I hold live Q&As where you can come to a call and we get to hang out for a couple hours. Basically, you ask me questions, I answer them for you, so you never get stuck. I mean, maybe you joined programs in the past where you're like, well, I have this question, but I don't know who to talk to. That doesn't happen with with this program, because you can come to the live stream and ask me questions live, and whatever you need help with, traffic, question about getting set up, anything you need, I'm basically there to help you. And I usually run these on Monday night. So make sure, as you're watching this right now, if you want to be notified when the next one is happening, click the link below to subscribe to the channel, and also tick the bell notification icon. That's very important, because all of the invitations are coming out from this YouTube channel. So let's keep going here. Let me show you a few more. Paulo was able to earn $80, as you can see right there, plus another $50. This is Sebastian, who was able to get a $2,000. Let me see if I can get the screen to focus here. There we go. It's a little small. Okay, there we go. $2,000 commission that he was able to do right there. And I could keep going on and on and on with this. Let me just zoom in here. Here's another member by the name of Biki, who did just 3 days ago $4,000 in 24 hours he was able to do. So guys, here's what I want to end this video with. I want to keep it short this time, because every time I do a video, I just go through the testimonials and it becomes like a 30-minute video, just me showing you proof after proof after proof after proof. And I think you get it by now. If you want to earn $2,000 commissions over and over and over again, click the link below. Step 1, watch the webinar. It explains exactly how this works, how you can earn up to 4 different commissions from one marketing campaign that it's already set up. I hook you up with even some traffic. I let you leverage the same YouTube videos that I use to generate sales. You can actually use the same videos as well. I give you the video files. And all of this is possible because, remember the 2 words, Vertex Live. You want to come in at that level, because that's gonna, the reason Biki is able to earn these types of commissions is because he's qualified to earn these types of $2,000 commission with Vertex Live. And I could keep going here. Here's Miles again, $7,000 in commissions that he was able to do in 2 days. In 2 days. And actually, let me show you one more thing. Let's just go back here. Let's go here to the leaderboard. Check this out. I want you to join my team, because this is what, let me just bring the screen up here. Check this out. If we go to the leaderboard, let me just refresh this. If we go to the leaderboard, my team, out of 10 spots that are on the leaderboard, we literally have 9 out of the 10 spots. All of them are my team members. Let me show you. Miles, you've just seen him. He's my team member. He's using my campaign to be the #1 spot on this leaderboard. And also, just to show you that even though he's leveraging my campaign, he's able to even get more results than me, just to show you. So it doesn't mean because you're using my campaign that I'm going to get more results than you. You could actually surpass even my results with my own campaign, with this affiliate marketing campaign. So Miles, my team member. Garrett, my team member. Simon, my team member. Paulo, my team member. Biki, you've just seen him do $4,000 in 24 hours, my team member. Jeff, my team member. Tim, my team member. Birdie, my team member. These are all my team members. I want you to join my team. Join my team because I hook you up with everything that you need to make this a success. There's actually a special bonus that I'm going to be hooking you up, which is secret software. I'm not going to be talking about that in this video because it's too powerful. I will reveal it on the webinar though. You got to click the below, go watch the webinar. You'll see what it is, and you actually get to have it in your business for free. I hook you up with it with a lifetime account and unlimited use, but I'm not going to tell you anything about it here. You got to click below and go watch the webinar. In addition to that, I show you how to get free leads. Free leads. In fact, all these commissions that you see here, I was able to do it with free traffic. And I show you how to do it. Over 63,000 in 5 weeks with free traffic. $2,000 commissions over and over and over again. If you want access to these incredible bonuses, remember, step 1, click the link just below this video. Go watch the webinar. Step 2, get set up with Vertex Live. That's the level you want to come in at. Vertex Live. Remember these 2 words. Vertex Live. Step 3, send traffic exactly the way I show you. We're going to be generating free leads from social media platforms. I show you exactly how to do it, click by click. It doesn't take more than 20 minutes a day to do it. And if you don't have 20 minutes a day, then I don't know what you're so busy with that you're still watching my video about making money online. If you want to make money online, I know how to do it. My team members have been crushing it. I want you to join my team so I can show you how to do it too. But you need to have a little bit of time every day to do this and send traffic consistently. Because look, I can give you the best campaign in the world. It depends on you what you do with it. For me, it's been generating phenomenal results. For members, they've been crushing it. But if I give it to you and you do nothing with it, then nothing is going to happen. But if you have just 20 minutes a day, 25 minutes a day, and you're able to follow simple instructions, go here, click there, do that, then you're going to be able to make this work and make it a huge success if you follow my instructions. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Thanks again for watching. Again, if you want to make $2,000 commissions over and over and over again, click the link below. Go check out how me and all of my team members are doing it. And I hope to see you inside the system very, very soon. And I hope to see you posting in the group. By the way, a lot of these people I've never met in my life. But that doesn't matter. I haven't met you, but that doesn't mean I can't help you generate commissions. So click the link below, and I really look forward to seeing your testimonial in the group very, very soon. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.